Okay, so this is my second time trying this, but hey guys, so I have been grocery shopping for the last 6 hours, and I put the majority of the stuff up. I've shopped at Walmart, Trader Joe's, Publix. So Walmart, Trader Joe's, Publix, and Aldi has been my grocery outing for today. And so I want to show you guys my Trader Joe's haul because I put the majority of everything else up from shopping all day. Also, excuse the hat. I've been out in the sun all day. Well, actually, no, we're not going to say excuse the hat because it is so fashionably fly. But I have been out in the sun all day, and lately the sun is not my friend. I get sick out in the sun, so hence the hat for protection. All right, so on to the haul. I went into Trader Joe's and picked up our favorite, the Mandarin orange chicken. We love this so much that I grabbed 3. So I grabbed 4 bags. This is one of our favorites. I love this. We don't go to Trader Joe's that often, so when I do go, I stock up on it. It's about $2.99, I think, $2 or $3.99 a bag. The cashier that rung me up said that this has been their #1 seller for the past 9 years, and I believe it. It's so good. We generally don't like frozen entree meals, but this is an exception. So real quick, here are some of the nutrition facts for you. The sodium's not too bad. You can bake this, or you can do like I do. I saute it. They have a sauce that goes with it. I add it with some ginger rice and some broccoli, and that is dinner when I'm in a... All right, moving along. My daughter grabbed these parsnip chips. I mean, they sound interesting. I don't know. We've never had these, but we will see. And she also wanted these dark chocolate honey mints. Here are the ingredients: honey, chocolate, but yeah, pretty simple enough. Just honey, chocolate, and peppermint oil. All right, what else? All right, so I also grabbed a bag of pistachio. This is the dry roasted and unsalted, and the raw cashew pieces. My daughter and I would just be the only ones to eat these because my youngest son is allergic to majority of nuts. So yeah, my kids and their allergies are all over the place. My daughter's allergic to majority of fruits. My youngest son is allergic to majority of nuts. They're all allergic to the whole world. But these are going to be good. I grabbed some pumpkin butter. This is, I mean, it's fall, so it's pumpkin spice, everything. Pumpkin butter, we're going to put this on some toast or some bagels. And I also grabbed some carrot cake spread. So this is some carrot cake spread. I believe I saw this the first time on an IG feed. But look, carrot cake in a jar without flour and eggs. Try it on top of scones and toast. Add to muffins and cakes. Pair of tenderloin, or do like I'm going to do and eat it right out of the jar. Here is another Trader Joe's favorite. I love this. Everything but the bagel seasoning. You can put it on bagels with some cream cheese. I even season baked chicken with this. It's really, really good. Here are some nutrition facts. And the last thing I grabbed from Trader Joe's was this clarified butter, some ghee. This was only $2.99, and I was really surprised at the price because I've seen this higher in other places. I'm going to use this for some recipes that I have coming up. And this is non-Trader Joe's, but look how gorgeous this bouquet is that I got from the farmer's market yesterday. And I love that she added some peppers to it. That's so unique, and it's just so pretty for fall. Excuse some of the smashed flowers. So yeah, it did get smashed because I had it laying flat before I found something to put it in. But I think that these peppers are so unique and very fall appropriate. The colors are so pretty. And that is it for my Trader Joe's haul. So that is it, you guys. Me and my hat are about to put the rest of these groceries away, and I will see you next time.